Balls. Bite.
Is that good?
Papa. Dada. Ooh. Tasty.
Tasty. It's tasty. Where did she get that from?
It's tasty.
Tasty. I must say that and not recognize. Realize I said. Look, you want to taste the gingerbread cookie?
Yeah.
Kind of hard.
Ooh. No.
That's a knife. That's right. You were spreading the icing with it? Yeah, I guess I could. You want to decorate another cookie? Do you want to do another gingerbread?
2.
You want to do 2? Okay, we'll put that one right there, okay?
Okay. Outside. Outside.
You excited?
Yeah.
All right. This is cool stuff, huh, Em? All right, we got to do our icing again.
Okay.
All right.
What?
Yeah, it's white.
Yeah.
All right, we got to spread it around. Spread it with your knife. Do you remember how to do that?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You'll try it?
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Like that? Okay.
Tasty.
You're getting it off the knife before it goes on the cookie.
Blue. Blue.
It's a spoon, yep.
Right.
Hang on. That's right, spoon.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Mm.
You can't eat it all, Mama.
Tasty.
Tasty. All right, let's put eyes on him again. You want eyes?
Okay.
How many eyes should we put on him?
Monkey.
Hmm?
Fire.
Should he have... How many eyes does he have?
2.
2. What color are his eyes? Huh?
Brown.
No, those aren't brown. What color is that?
Red.
Red, that's right. Who has brown eyes, though, Abby? Who do you know that has brown eyes?
Fire. Ooh.
We're going to put a little hair on him. So does Daddy have brown eyes, Abby? What color do you have?
Blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
What color does Mommy have?
Blue.
Oh, goodness, you got icing all over, honey.
Icy.